behind your car? You gonna take picture on me? No. That's a big no-no. Okay? No. I'm not gonna accept that. I'm innocent. Wala akong mag-order, anak. Okay? I don't have my signature. Anyone can play games. Anyone can use my name. Okay? Bisan kinahanglanon ninyo, I'm very innocent. I don't know. I'm innocent. I don't know what kind of delivering from your company that I wasn't expecting. Okay? No. I'm sorry.
Mayong hapon. Taga diri si Ma'am Aning. Si Ma'am Aning. Si Ma'am Ani.
Taga diri.
Okay, sir.
Hapon, ma'am.
Naasiya lang among istoryahan, sir.
Alisita jumalos alili ma'am. Narad lagi si. Nangita sa imo.
Good afternoon. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
We have some delivery for you, ma'am. We're still from Butuan City. You applied for appliances, ma'am?
Ako mag-apply og appliances?
Yes, ma'am. 2 split of aircon.
No. Wala man ko mag-apply.
You received a message from our office, ma'am,
Wala, uy.
about the delivery today, ma'am. And the down payment can pay you including the delivery. Including the delivery, ma'am.
Wala ba ako mag-order, anak?
Oh, no!
Isa may nagkuhan, anak. Wala gyud ko mag-order.
We're sorry about that, ma'am, but we are just a delivery in charge. We have a copy, ma'am, sa office. Gikan sa office. Hatag lang din. Oh, no!
I'm very innocent about this appliances, okay? I never order this. Okay? Wala gyud ko gi-order.
Sorry, ma'am, pero ga-deliver agad mi, ma'am.
Ay, wala gyud ko kwarta karon. No. I'm not gonna accept that. I'm innocent. Wala ko mag-order, anak. No, ibalik ninyo na.
Pwede rin nimo matawagan ang opisina, ma'am. You can talk to them, ma'am.
Ano karon pa yun sa birthday nako, mag-deliver mo ingon anak? No, wala ko gi-order sa opisina ninyo. Wala ko.
Then we can...
Pero you know what? Today is my birthday. Dili ko makipag-participate ining kung kinsa nagbinuang sa ako nga mag-deliver air condition. I have air condition already in my house. Okay? So, I don't know who's playing games, okay? I'm not gonna accept that. Okay? I don't have my signature. Anyone can play games, anyone can use my name, okay? But I'm not gonna accept it. Take it back to your company.
Sorry,
Okay?
ma'am, but
sorry,
I
I'm
can't bring it back.
sorry po. I'm sorry. Even if you're gonna call the police or what so and so, I'm not gonna accept it. Wala ko gi-order. They're rolling my days, okay? Wala ko mag-order. Wala gyud ko mag-order ini. Okay? So,
Okay, ma'am.
sorry na lang. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am. Pwede lang ta mag-picture dito, ma'am.
Anong picture man ko diha?
For compliance lang, ma'am, nga gi-deliver na mo dire para mabalikan
No,
mi
you
sa
have to
delivery.
picture my house, but I'm not gonna stand up there to picture, and this is what I'm dressing for. I'm dressing this for my birthday, not for this, kung kinsay nagbinuang ini. Okay? No. You can picture us, everybody, a lot of people here, but no way that I'm gonna stand up behind your car. You gonna take picture on me? No. That's a big no-no. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, pero pwede kinahanglan magud na mo ka-picture.
Bisan kinahanglanon ninyo, I'm very innocent. I don't know. I'm innocent. I don't know what kind of delivering from your company that I wasn't expecting. Okay? No. I'm sorry.
Sige,
That's it.
Taduha magpa-picture.
No, you have to go there.
Sige lang, tanawan lang sa
Tanawon lang nato, ma'am. Kay kinahanglan man gud, ma'am. Dako man gud ang delivery ani, ma'am.
Air condition mo na ang inyong gibutan diha.
Yes, ma'am. Mapilo man ang may code sa sakyanan.
Mapilo.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sige na. Ayun, nagkuhan kayo magpa-picture sa...
No, Jen, I have this freaking delivery and I don't even order it. What? Oh. Oh, gali. No, the lady told me that I was ordering air condition. No. No, they told me that I have my responsibility. I have to pay 25 grand. I mean 25,000. No.
Nagkuhan na, tanawan lang. Sige na.
Kasi like din daw ning.
Oh, sige na, tanawan na.
No, basig picturean ko nila. I-post ko nila. Ngayon na, nag-order ko niya.
Ah, dili, ma'am.
Dili na ako bayaran.
Dili, ma'am. Dili mingon ana, ma'am. Amo lang is compliance, ma'am.
Arong picture na. Kita dua ang paluka. Ako yung kapriso, ani.
Padan akong sundan, be.
Ayaw.
Sa Butuan pamigikan, ma'am. Butuan pagimigikan, ma'am. Palihog ko na lang diri, ma'am.
Kasi kaarong mapicture dito.
Sige, ma'am. Palihog ko open diha, ma'am.
Ako mag-open?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige, abriha si abriha.
Basig mo
Diha
buto
lang,
ni, ha?
ma'am. Galang sa ubos, ma'am.
Ma'am, basig mo buto ni.
Dumantang tanan. Prank lang, ma'am. Prank. Surprise! Happy birthday, ma'am. Gikan ni sa imuhang mga anak.
Anong di mo na naman ko ninyo? Anong dili man ninyo magklaro magsulti?
Kulba kamay, ma'am.
Surprise!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sister!
Happy birthday,
Ma'am, kung
ma'am.
nagipaglalis sa inyo.
Okay na kayo, ma'am. Happy birthday, ma'am. Na surprise ni gikan sa imong mga anak kay wala man sila diri. Og na sila gihatag sa imo ha, ma'am, nga money bouquet. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Ipasa ko na nimo ang
Yes, ma'am. Naapot sila yung message.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Jennifer, Joanne, Anthony, Abigail, Tyler, Joanne. Thank you so much. And I was really surprised about what you guys doing, but I do thank you what you guys done for my birthday. I wish you guys here in my birthday, but yes, I do. I have a pig roast. They killed the pig and they cook it. Okay, so I thank you so much. Whoever did this to me, 4 of you guys, or whoever, my niece, my nephew, I would like to say thank you so much. Okay, I love you.
Isa-isa na tayo. Isa-isa sa Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Happy birthday. Basahon ako ang message sa imuhang mga anak. Dili lang kasi gamay, ma'am. Okay. Mo ni iyang message, ma'am, gikan kang Anthony.
Oh my God, my only one son.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mami! Wishing you amazing 66th birthday that filled with nothing but blessing. Wish we could be there for you, but we are celebrating from afar. Love and miss you and hope to see you soon. We love you so much.
I love you too.
Kang Jin.
Thank you so much.
Ikan ko to kang Jin, ma'am.
Okay.
And then, kani kang Jubon. Happy birthday, Lola. I love you. And ikan kang Joanne. Happy birthday, Mami. I hope you have a great time to celebrating your birthday. Sending love and blessing from England. I love you and I miss you.
I love you too. All my children.
And then kang Anthony, happy birthday, Mami. I love you and I miss you. Aloha.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Salamat kayo. Thank you, kids. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Gani kay ikan kang Kyler.
Akong sa kamanghuran ako.
Sa kamanghuran nito. Dear ma'am, happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. Enjoy some good food today. Stay safe and stay beautiful. I hope you are able to enjoy your special day bisan wala bidira. Looking forward to visiting you in the Philippines. Hopefully someday stay strong and say hello to our relatives there and to your animals.
Of course, I got everything. I got everything here.
May you be showered with blessing today and always. I love you so much, Mami. Please don't forget to do some karaoke.
I love you too, Kyler.
Okay, ma'am. Napoy message gikan kang Jinjin, Ailey, IZ, Gigi, and Johnson.
Okay. Siya pa itong ka-istorya na ako kain namin.
Happy birthday to amazing Auntie Aning. Wishing you a day filled of love, laughter, and all of your favorite things.
Thank you, Jen.
Here's to good health always and many more birthdays to candles to blow. May this special day mark with beginning of an incredible year ahead. Sending you a lots of love and wishes. I am so sorry I couldn't attend your birthday, but due to an unbearable commitments, you're on my mind and I'm always thinking of you. I love you so much, my very Auntie Annie. Happy birthday.
I love you too, Jen, Gigi, IC, and Eli, Johnson, and Bibi, and Jerry. Thank you so much. But I bet you're part of this delivery here. And thank you. And especially to my 4 children, thank you so much. And I wish you guys one of these days, you guys gonna come and visit me here, okay? Before mommy's getting more older. But hey, I'm only 16, not 66, okay? Gani.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Happy sabing and apart mi sa imo ika-16 birthday.
Yeah, but I wasn't happy earlier about what you approached me.
Ma'am, request to sa imong mga anak na palaguton sa nukuno ka.
Really? Really?
Okay. Aron to kuno kuan magamit ang imong makeup.
Karon ako namang yun yung pangtrapuhan kay kumana man. So karon ang
Birthday, sister.
thank you.
Now,
Ma'am,